We sell contact center software, so we allow the companies to manage their inbound and outbound communications with their customers. When you call into one of your banks, for example, we'll route the call to the appropriate person depending on what you're calling about, and we also manage outbound contacts. As Director of CRM Systems, I'm responsible for all of our internal software tools that we use. That includes Infor CRM. We have about 350 end users. I'm the sole supporter of all of those systems, including the server side, end user support, and the database as well. I'm like a juggler. I've got to figure out what the priority of the day is and get it done. It was about 2006 or so, I would say, that we started. We had a great partner in SyncSite. They were instrumental, really. We couldn't have done it without them. We went through, a half dozen or more products, and then we decided what are the biggest issues that we're trying to solve, and those were a good tool for our sales staff, a good tool for our support staff, and the ability to have project management. The Infor CRM tool allowed us to bring all of those things together instead of having disparate systems like we did before. Our sales guys were using ACT at the time, so they had zero visibility on anything else that was going on with the client. So it's really helped them be more prepared for those sales calls and be able to say, hey, I see that you talked to Sam this morning. How was that? Did he answer your question? So I think it just gives them better data to have good, up-to-the-minute conversations with their customers. We purchased the TimeLinks module to integrate with the Infor CRM product. Previously it was, here's a piece of paper that tells you what I know. So now they have access to everything that happened. They can see, well, that happened during your implementation. Let's see how they solved it then. So it's just great knowledge sharing. I was finally able to get my executive team to replace an Excel spreadsheet that I have been trying to replace for 7 years. And when my president saw it, he was like, wait, this is great. So we took a report that was being created in Excel that was real stagnant and had lots of data entry errors. And now we're providing a ton more data to the company at the click of a button, as opposed to 3 hours of manual data entry every day. So that was very rewarding. You can manage your entire business in one interface. You can focus people's views on what they do, but still have it accessible to other folks. I just think it's a great all-around package. It solves a ton of business issues. It allows you to customize very easily to make any sort of modifications that you might make. I think it's a great product all around.